Guys, welcome back to another drone flight of Entre Legends. Today we are in Rayners Lane in London Borough of Harrow, North West London. Without further ado, let's take off. Right, so what we'll do is go up to the max height, and then what we'll do, we'll just do a 360 photo here in Rayners Lane, and then we'll do a 360 photo. So without further ado, let's do the 360 photo. Alright, 360 photo is now complete. What we're going to do now, we're just going to explore this area. So we're going to do, where should we go now? Let's go towards down here. Let's go down this area. The train coming there, so let's get a shot of that. It's coming quite slow actually. So near here is the NFZ. So I don't think I can go down there. Can go down here though. Probably just yeah, there's not much down in this area, so let's go down to the main area of Rayners Lane. Let's get a shot down here. Oh look, there's a sick train here. Where is it? Oh my god, look at that. I need to get a shot of that quickly. It's coming down here. I thought it was a regular Piccadilly line train, but it's actually a it's very vintage train. Look at that. Wow, I wonder what train that is. It's vintage, you can hear its horn. So all of its traffic's going down this way. For this car going down here. Let's come down here because it's not going to go through that way. Got a Piccadilly line train coming. Let's follow it in sports mode. Train's a bit faster than me. If I had one of those DJI Avata drones, yeah, we can go 60 miles an hour. It's actually quite fast for a drone. In these custom FPV drones, you can go really fast. You can go bare fast in them. You can go like probably hundreds of miles an hour. It's actually crazy. That's like a drone I want to get, but it's quite a hard hobby to get into because you have to know all the soldering. But I guess you can get one pre-built, but then if you smash that up, then you won't know how to fix it. I'm going to stop screen recording because it's taking so long to stop because this phone's so hot. So that was the Piccadilly line train, and the one that went past as well is a Metropolitan line train. Let's just go down Rayners Lane area. Nice area to fly here in northwest London. London Borough of Harrow.
Max altitude reached.
Let's go down this area. So there's a junction down over here. We're near North Harrow. We see a lot of these blue cars where it's light blue. I like how they look in the sun, especially. Let's go down here. Go down this area. Let's go down to the other side of Rayners Lane. We'll go down this way.
Home point updated.
Look at that. Got a nice blue car down here. Sorry about that alarm, that's kind of disturbed the video. Someone's car alarm. It's alright. Kind of like the landing of my drone. When I land a drone, it makes some kind of noise. Yeah, nice area to fly. I actually came past here multiple times, but then I thought, because it was close to the zone of Norfolk, RAF Norfolk, I couldn't fly there, but then I found a way that you can just, I'm flying just outside the zone and I'm still getting good shots, so it ain't really too bad flying here. Afterwards, I don't know where I'm going to fly. I'm going to try and charge my third battery. If not, then I'll probably just leave it a second over. But I want to make the most out of these days, because after that it's going to be windy again, so I kind of want to make most of that is a nice day to fly. Maybe somewhere in the Metropolitan line. Maybe Preston Road. I might fly there, which is near Wembley. I've actually not flown that area, but I've flown near there, North Wembley. But I pretty much flew every corner of the Brent Borough, London Borough of Brent. So, except for that area. So if I fly there, then I've officially covered everywhere in Brent. Except for, I'm flying in Harrow, and I think I covered a lot of Harrow as well. Harrow on the Hill, West Harrow. No, I haven't flown in West Harrow. I've flown in Harrow and Whetstone, Pinner, and in, of course, here, which is Rayners Lane, and where I just flew now, South Harrow. And I've flown everywhere in Wembley, Brent as well. Flown in Wembley, flown in Halsden, Willesden Green, Neasden, Stonebridge Park, Kilburn. Where else? What else is in Brent? There's Queen's Park as well, and Sudbury and Alperton. And Brent Park, which is near where IKEA is, near where the IKEA and Tesco is, near Neasden. Alright, so there's I've pretty much covered everywhere here in Pinner, in London Borough of Harrow.
Aircraft will return to the
I'm just going to land a drone now.
seconds.
So let's just get a shot in this local area down here. Look at that, look. There's a train over here as well. I'm probably just going to land near here, because I'm going to land near where there's no tree, because
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
seems like someone's jump starting their car right there, which is where I just was.
Home point updated.
Alright, I'm going to land it right here. Next to where this white Mercedes is. gonna park it here, park my drone here. Alright then, I'm going to end this drone flight here. I didn't record on my 360 camera. So I'm going to end this drone flight here. I hope you enjoyed this video of me flying here in Rayners Lane in London Borough of Harrow, North West London. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.